This is me behind the scenes shoot, me behind the camera, rolling it so we can appreciate the trail, the afternoon walk. For me behind the camera. So much nature to show you, so just want to get it all in and show you. I'm going down the path, going down to the to the little river, to the little waterfall to shoot that. I might do this in three videos. I don't know yet. I have to wait and see. Because I don't like them too long, because I don't like people to lose interest. And I like to keep it varied so people come back again. Look at the squirrel there. Can't catch them, they're so quick you can't get them. They'll have to be standing literally in the middle of the road for me to capture it. Oh look, a fallen tree. Someone's logged it. Cut it up. Maybe I do it at this angle now, like that. I think that might be a little bit better. It's a work in progress, guys. But here's a little secret garden behind the trail. It's really lovely. You can drop down in the comments if you have a local park range near you, and is it big or small, or is it full of green? Let me know in the comments. Feel free to also drop a recommendation of what you want me to do, good or bad. All the comments are all appreciated at this point. Show you the little walkway up there that goes all the way up there, that goes somewhere else, that goes to a big field there. Big field. We'll explore that another day. I'm coming to this section today. It's huge. Actually there's this one and there's another one near me actually. It's also huge. I think this is the biggest one. Love it. I used to love coming here and playing when I was younger. In some time. Just climb trees and like what little girls do, play, hunt for fairies and things like that, and play, imaginary play games. We're coming down to this little river now. I want to get to the weeping willows, but it's just too sludgy and muddy to get to, so that might be a summer thing, I think, to be honest. Also Sunday people are taking their walks as well, they're also taking their dogs out, so I just want to come down and capture the little waterfall for you. I've got that on a short, I thought I'd take you down and actually do a video recording for you. So let me just get close to it, but like I said, it's a bit sludgy. Don't want to get my shoes dirty. Beautiful. I love the sound. There's some dogs there, but little dog, look, he's trying to get in the water, look. He's having a whale of a time. I can't picture the people there. He's having a good time. Okay guys, let's just take you down to the bigger pond now. And then we'll end the video there, and I might do another third video for you. The weeping willows are over there. Can't get it to it, it's sludgy. But up there is really nice. That's a secret part of the garden, secret part of the range, whatever you want to call it. Okay, I'm going to end this video here, guys, and then I'll probably do another intro video